remember one of the counselors saying, give it a chance. Give this place a chance. So I was like, okay. I was like, no, I literally had tears out of my eyes, like, I don't want to stay here. You don't understand. My dad's like, no, if you don't want to stay, I'll come back for you that same day. And I was like, okay, Dad. And then, you know, that counselor was like, just give it a chance. And I was like, okay. And then a chance turned into a week, and then a month, and then I was here for a year. So therefore, all I have to say to the students is give it a chance. That's all, you know, because in the end, it was worth it for me, and I know it's going to be worth it for everybody else. Yeah.